friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are very well wherever you are. Today I have brought you some name of some movies which we can watch with the family. Actually, there is so much good content on Netflix, on YouTube, on Amazon Prime. But the thing is, nowadays there are so many movies which we can't watch with the family. Even here in Germany, they complain that nowadays content is not worth watching with the family. And I really would like watching TV with my family, watching movies, watching series, and I prefer to watch those movies which have some good message, some good content. So today I want to share with you some of my movie recommendations which I want that you watch, and please, and then write to me in the comment box if you watched it, and have you already watched it. Maybe you have already watched them also, and how did you like or didn't like that movie. And these movies are easily available on the Netflix and YouTube. Two of the movies are not available, but I'm not sure, maybe in your country they are available, because in my country there are so many things which are not available. But maybe you will be able to watch those movies, but I highly recommend them watching. So please watch my video till the end, and I'm sure that you will find the movies which are worth watching, and you will appreciate that. First movie which I will recommend, it is actually very small short animated video on YouTube which encouraged me to start my YouTube channel, and that movie name is Hair Love, and it is an animation, and I don't want to give you so many spoiler, but it is about a small girl whose mother is sick and is in the hospital, and how actually YouTube helped them to connect, and I'm sure you will like it. Watch the video. It is very small. It is actually Oscar winning animation. So do watch it. It is a very small 5-10 minutes video, and I'm sure you will like it. Second is also a very short film, and it is also Oscar winning, Academy award winning film. It is only 20 minutes, and it is available on YouTube, and it is called Neighbor's Window. And this is such a good positive movie. I think everyone should watch it, and it is a Hollywood movie, but you will connect to it, you will relate to it, that we all have the same emotions. It is about a couple who is like a couple living in one apartment, and they always observe the couple who is living in the next apartment, and they can see through the window that what is happening in that apartment, and they always think that, oh God, that life is so good. And what happens in the end, it is only 20-minute video. I will again not give you spoilers, but please do watch it. You will, in the end, you will get such a good positive message, and you will learn so much from it. Every one of us has I think will has something to learn from it. So please do watch it. It is only 20 minutes and easily available on YouTube. Third movie which I recently watched on Netflix is Captain Phillips. It is based on the true story. So, and Tom Hanks' acting is superb. It is about the Somali pirates who hijack a ship, and they take the hostage. The captain of the ship is taken hostage by them, and the acting is superb. And they have showed you about the pirates also, like how these Somali pirates are actually their actual life is, and what they think. Humanity is human background they have taken into account. And please do watch it. It is worth watching with the kids, and family watching movies it is. Fourth movie which I highly recommend is a Malayalam movie, South Indian movie, Kapela. And you will think that it is a love story. It starts as a love story, and trust me, it has such a beautiful message, and everyone in the family of you should watch it. You will really take away very positive. Acting is superb, but the main thing which I learned from this movie, that message which come across, and it is such a big twist in the end. You will come across this message only at the end of the movie. So please watch this movie till the end, as you are watching this vlog till the end. So please watch this movie also till the end, and you will surely get a very beautiful good message as a family. So please do watch it. And this movie has English subtitles, so this movie will be in the language of Malayalam, and I don't know the language, but watch it through subtitles and you will not regret it, trust me. Fifth movie which I highly recommend on watching Netflix is Searching. It is about a father who is looking for his daughter, missing daughter, through her social media accounts. And I'm sure in recent times it is so important to watch this movie with your kids so that they understand the dangers of social media and all the implications of using all these Facebook and WhatsApp groups and everything. So please watch it as a family. You will really appreciate it. It's a very beautiful account of all the emotions. You can watch it as a family. I'm really I have already watched this movie, so I know that they are worth watching as a family, and you will get a very beautiful message with it. Apart from these 5 movies, 2 movies are such movies which have changed my life. I have learned a lot from these movies, and they are not available on Netflix and even not on YouTube, but I watched them on my cable channel. And if by chance you come across these 2 movies, please please watch these movies somehow if possible. I'm sure you will love these movies. First movie is A Home of Our Own. It is a Hollywood movie of Kathy Bates, and it is a movie about a mother who is a widow and who has 6 children, and how with so much self-worth, so much confidence, and so much self-respect, she raises these 6 children and builds her own home. And till the end, she doesn't loses hope, she doesn't loses her positivity, her self-respect. It is really worth it. Changed my life. I really became a more positive person after watching that, and I really think about that movie whenever I come across any difficulty in my life. Second movie which I highly recommend is Life is Beautiful. It is also actually a true story, about a father and son. It is at the time of the World War II, when an Italian father, and they were Jews, and they were getting persecuted by fascist people, and by Hitler, this army Nazis. They all were sent into the concentration camp. All the Jews, maybe you know about the World War, all these things. And if you don't know, please do watch this movie, and you will know what happened with the Jews in the World War II. These are all the real accounts. Only criticism of this movie was that they actually didn't show the brutality of these things. They showed it in a very funny way, very interesting, very entertaining way. In whole movie we were laughing only till the end. In the end, on the last scene, we were all crying, because it was such a good, beautiful movie that the father showed the son, he saved the life of the son by giving, sacrificing so much. He was facing so many difficulties, but he didn't let the son go through those hardships. He didn't let the son, he kept the son positive. I will not give you so many spoilers. You have to watch the movie. It is available in all the languages. In English also you will be fine. And Life is Beautiful is really shows you that life is beautiful. That is why I'm always saying that yes, life is beautiful, everything is good, everything is positive, because I have watched such movies and I have learned positivity from these movies. I hope you liked my selection of movies, and please do watch them, and write them in the comment box if you have further recommendations which you will recommend others to, so that we can all can watch such movies. I'm also always looking for such recommendations, and please hit the like button if you like my selection, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in the next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.